In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline in Hubspot. This essential feature helps streamline your sales process, ensuring you manage deals effectively and efficiently, which is crucial for growing your business. To start, we need to go to the Hubspot homepage. If you're not already familiar, HubSpot provides powerful software and tools that can transform the way you do business. Once you're there, the first step is to click on the login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page, and it will prompt you to enter your login details. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do so to proceed. It's a quick and straightforward process, just make sure to have your business details handy for a smooth setup. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home interface. From here, you'll immediately see a navigation bar packed with tools and options that HubSpot offers. For today's task, you'll want to head over to the CRM section. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's where you'll manage all your contacts, companies, and deals. Simply click on the CRM button, and you'll be taken into a world of possibilities that will help your business thrive. Next, you want to navigate to Deals. You'll see this option after you click CRM. Deals in HubSpot are essentially business opportunities you're tracking. It's a key part of the sales pipeline where you'll record interactions, progress, and outcomes. Scanning through the deals section will familiarize you with any ongoing or previous interactions with potential clients. After you're comfortable with the layout, click on Create Deal. This action kickstarts the process of adding a new deal into your sales pipeline. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You'll be prompted to fill out crucial details about the deal. This could include entering the deal name, amount, closing date, and assigning it to the appropriate team member. Think of it as crafting a story about this potential sale, what's it worth, and when do you realistically see it closing. Once all the details are filled in, you're almost done. The last step is to click on Create. This button finalizes the process, placing your new deal into your pipeline. You can now track its progress in real time and adjust strategy as required to ensure it's moving in the right direction. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sales pipeline entry, and each deal you add helps in constructing a comprehensive view of your sales activities. Keeping track of these not only allows you to forecast better, but also prioritizes effectively, ensuring no opportunity slips through the cracks. Thank you for following along today. Remember to check back for more tips and guides on maximizing HubSpot's potential for your business. Have a great day and happy selling.